Having freedom starts from within. In a world where the idea of freedom comes in the form of celebration and ceremonies, it's easy for us to say that we are free from the cruel and greedful past. However, freedom is more than liberty. We may be free to pursue our desires, to pursue our dreams, but true freedom often comes within our hearts and minds. I have been trying to find answers to questions like, is it really true that there is such a thing as internal freedom? Can one be truly free without internal freedom? I believe that being free externally and internally are both equally important. Most people live in democracies in which they are free to make choices on where and how they live, work, and socialize. However, freedom is not always about external. It also translates to emotional or internal well being. For example, people who are still holding a grudge about the past, something that already happened, making them feel like a slave to their own thoughts and emotions. This is where our mind starts to become our prison, limiting our options like we have no freedom, when in reality, ourselves are the only thing that limits and stops us. True freedom comes when a person can manage their external struggles while maintaining a good health of their inner self. To be free is to also break free from the thoughts and emotions that chains and imprisons us internally. With external freedom, it provides opportunities for us to grow externally and from within. But it is the journey towards internal freedom, which we embrace ourselves truly, that leads us to true freedom. We must understand that to be truly be freed externally, we should also be free internally.